Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how we can make a Cinderella gown bodice, and you can make this bodice for any gown, but in this video I will only show you how we can make a Cinderella gown bodice by drafting a pattern. If you want to learn the rest of the procedure to make this Cinderella ball gown, then I have provided two links in the description box and in the I button. After watching this video, you can check out that videos also. And guys, I made this Cinderella gown in a different way so that I can wear this in 21 different styles and looks. So please watch the full video to know the procedure. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. To make this Cinderella bodice, here I am taking a blue color and a lining for it. You can take any fabric you want to make the gown or the bodice with. So let's see the drafting procedure. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So here I am taking the length of the bodice part. So here I am taking 15 inches. My neck width is 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6 inches. So I will mark on 6 inches. You have to take measurements according to your body. So here armhole length is 12 inches divided by 2 is equal to 6 inches. So I will mark it like this. After this, here my chest length is 34 divided by 4 is equal to 8.5 inches plus 2 inch seam allowance plus half inch for dart. After marking, we will mark it straightly with the help of a scale as shown in the video. Please guys, watch full video because later in this video I will tell you how we can wear it in 21 styles. So let's do the remaining marking. Here waist length is 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7 inches plus 2 inches for seam allowance plus 2 inches for dart. And now we will join both the markings as shown in the video. For seam allowance you can take 2 inches or 1 inches or 1.5 inches. Now for of shoulder depth I am here taking 3 inches down like this. After that we will join the neck length and the shoulder depth like this, and now we will measure of shoulder length as shown in this image like this. Mine is 36, so I will mark on 9 inches, and here I am taking 2 to 3 inches extra because I will insert elastic here. And if you don't want to insert elastic, then you don't have to increase these 2 to 3 inches length. Then here I am shaping the neckline like this, a kind of sweetheart neckline. Then here I will mark off shoulder width like this. You can take it 2 inches or 2.5 inches. After that we will join it straightly with the help of a scale as shown in the video. Then we will mark our armhole like this. For 34 inches blouse, for that I will mark on 4 inches as shown like this. Then upwards also mark on 4 inches. Then from that point mark on 9 or 9.5 or 10 or 10.5. Here I am marking on 9 inches. Then at the bottom mark 2 inches horizontally and vertically like this. Now make a slightly curved line like this to the armhole, and at the bottom slightly curved line like this. And also we will mark half inch dart at the armhole as shown like this. And after that we will make a V shape like this at the bottom. After this, we will cut out a pattern. Now let's do back part cutting. For this, we will mark 6 inches armhole length and 8.5 inches plus 2 inches seam allowance, and then we will mark waist length 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7 inches plus 2 inch for dart plus 2 inch for seam allowance. Now join the points as shown. After that we will mark 4 inches like this and straightly 4 inches like this. Then we will mark 1 inch like this and make a dart like this. Then we will place our front piece pattern like this and trace it like this. After that, our pattern cutting for bodice part is done. Then we will place this pattern on our lining fabric and will cut out our lining fabric as shown. Then we will place our lining fabric on the main fabric like this, and after marking we will cut it out as shown in this video. By making pattern, this process will be really easy than making it directly on the fabric. So the length of the off-shoulder part is 5 inches, and so here I will mark 10 inches plus half inch for this off-shoulder piece, and we will cut it out. We have to cut two pieces like this. So I am showing it like this. After that we have to fold both the pieces in half and have to sew it. After this cutting we have to sew both the lining and main fabric together as shown in the video. And on the back side in the center we have to sew a zip. And friends, I am not showing the sewing part because the video will be very long if I show sewing part also. After sewing it will look like this, and now you can sew cups on the front side piece like this. You can skip this also. Now I have sewed zip here, and now we will sew both the front and back side together. After sewing it will look like this, you can see. And for the shoulder part I have inserted elastic in it like this. Now you can see it's like this. To make it more designer, here I am taking a piece of fabric which is 40 inches long and 8 inches wide. So from the center I will make a ruffle like this. Then from the sides also I will make ruffle like that I made in center. Now we will attach this elastic that we sewed earlier, and from the center we will sew the fabric, and at the back we will sew it by folding it like this and this. And now we will make it more designer by using a glitter sheet. So here I am taking a glitter foam sheet. Now we will make butterflies on it. We can either draw directly by our hands or first make a pattern and then make butterflies. So like this, make 10 to 20 butterflies and then stick it on the net fabric we sewed earlier. So guys, this is the final look and you can see it looks so beautiful. So this was my today's video and you have watched till now. This means you have liked this video. So do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Anshika Fashion Lifestyle. So take care and bye bye.